Hi, pre-algebra class. Welcome back again for another episode of Mr. Chow Time. We're moving on. We just added linear expressions. Now we're going to subtract linear expressions. This is lesson 4, page 310. Okay, so remember, a linear expression, it's just what's on one side of the equal sign. It has no powers, right? Okay, when did this pop up? Has that always been there? No? Okay. So now we're going to subtract. Here's the difference, is that when we're subtracting, remember that the subtraction operation is basically adding the negative of that, right? And so the negative needs to be distributed to both of these terms. So this basically becomes 5x plus 4 plus negative 3x minus 2. What we've done is we've distributed this negative to both of the terms on the inside. And that's turned our subtraction problem into an addition problem. And as you know, with an addition problem, we can get rid of the parentheses, right? Because when we're subtracting, there is no such thing as the associative property of subtraction. So you can't take the parentheses away from a subtraction. For example, 5x plus 4 minus 3x plus 2. We cannot just take the parentheses away from this. It wouldn't give us the same answer, and it would just be wrong. So we're not going to do that. We're going to distribute first, make it an addition, and then we can do it. So now we have 5x and negative 3x. We can combine those terms, and that would be 2x. Then we have 4 and negative 2, and that's plus 2. All right. So here again, we have a subtracting of something on the inside of a parentheses, right? So that means we have to distribute this. And so that would be negative 4x minus 6 plus x plus 3, because we flipped the sign around. And once we've done that, we can get rid of the parentheses, right? And then we can combine the like terms. So negative 4x plus 1x is negative 3x. And then negative 6 plus 3 is minus 3. Okay, your turn. Welcome back. So I'm just going to go through these kind of fast. This is 5x minus 4. Kind of slow maybe. And then 4x, nothing, right? 4x. Okay. Don't forget that a negative times a negative is a positive. So we've already seen examples of this, but I'm just going to point it out again. If we take a negative, we multiply by a negative, that changes the sign to be a positive, right? So this is actually 2x now minus 1. 2x minus 1. 3x plus 2. So we can combine these terms. This is 5x. And we can combine these terms. That's plus 1. Okay, your turn. So this is 3x, and this is a plus 1, so it's minus 4. And this is a plus 4m plus 1, so this is 10m plus 4. Okay, let's look at a real life example. Let's say that the soccer team at KAS is selling t-shirts to earn money. The total money earned from selling shirts can be modeled by this expression, 8x plus 48.75, where x is the total number of t-shirts sold. So every time they sell a shirt, they get another $8, basically. And they started out with $48.75 for some reason. If the team had to pay 2x plus $24 in expenses, write an expression to represent their profit. So this is how much money they make. This is how much money they have to pay, right? So you have to subtract the two. So this is 8x plus 48.75 minus 2x plus 24. So that becomes 8x plus 48.75 plus negative 2x minus 24. So this is 6x, and this is 24.75. So this is our final expression that represents how much money is made. If the soccer team sold 54 shirts, what would be their profit? So we just plug 54 shirts into X. So 6 times 54, what is that? 324, I think. Yeah, it is. Okay, so 324 plus 24.75, which is equal to 348.75 dollars. That's how much they earn. Good job, soccer team. You did it. Okay, your turn. Welcome back. After working X hours on Monday, Leslie earns $9X. On Tuesday, she earns 7X plus $3. Write an expression to represent how much money she earned, how much more money she earned on Monday. To represent how much more she earned on Monday. Okay, so she earned more on Monday. How much more? Well, we can find out by subtracting the two, right? 9x minus 7x plus 3. So that would be 9x plus negative 7x minus 3. And that would equal 2x minus 3. So if she worked 5 hours, so if x equals 5, then how much more did she earn on Monday? Well, we have the expression, right? We can just plug 5 into x. That would be 10 minus 3 equals 7. How much more did she earn? She earned $7 more. Okay. Here's your must do. Must do it.